rain 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive Hush, fame.
It is Friday. I'm having my first pilates class this evening, which I'm super excited about. I'm just working today, so I have my desk behind me. I moved the desk into the living room and I'm just working. It's so crazy to me that I'm living here right now and I don't really have the feeling that I'm living in another country, but I think the more I go outside and do stuff outside that I wouldn't be doing at home, I think the feeling will really kick in for me. So the Pilates class for tonight is the first thing that I have on my bucket list that I have on my list to do, because if I love the Pilates class, I will probably try to do it every week, and then by the time that I come back to the Netherlands, I hope I'm like Pilates class snatched, if you guys get what I mean. So even though I will be living alone in Barcelona, I asked a lot of my friends to come over, so I won't really be that alone-ish, but I will still do like my alone days and vlog those for you guys as well, because I am living here by myself. My apartment that I'm living in right now is super cozy. I really like it. Other friends of mine are also in Barcelona right now, so I'm having dinner with them tonight. We're gonna have hot pot again because I love hot pot and I just didn't know where else to eat for now, so we're having hot pot, but it's gonna be a late dinner at like 10. This is my outfit for my Pilates class today. I think it's cute. I just wore my, are these Lululemon? I think so, Lululemon shorts. And this is my Oysho sport bra. I think you need to have like those anti-slip socks, but I don't have those, so I'm probably just gonna like be barefoot. And then I have this cute, how do you call it again? You know, that thing in pink that I got from my last Yasta haul. So I think it's a cute fit. But something more exciting before I go to my Pilates class is that I actually asked if people wanted to shoot, because I did bring my cameras to Barcelona and I do have like a lot of rolls with me. So I think it's like gonna be fun to do like a few shoots here and there. And someone actually already responded and they are only here for a couple days. So we had to like meet up quick for a shoot. So first I'm gonna go shoot some pictures and then I'm off to my Pilates class right after.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in your face is like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets feels like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
I just had my first Pilates class and it was so much fun actually. I didn't know what to expect. I did do reformer Pilates, which is with like the, you know, the devising. And to me it was just so much fun. It was easy to follow and the exercises could get like kinda hard in sense of I haven't been to the gym for 2 years, so it makes sense that if I have to do like certain exercises like 10 times that it's gonna burn my muscles or like burn my body, whatever, which was very much expected obviously, but I liked to feel the burn. I liked that it was easy enough for me to follow, but I would still feel like my muscles forming, I guess. Like, how do you call that? Like, I'm gaining muscle. Like, that's my whole purpose with trying to do Pilates classes every week, is that I want to build muscle, because I saw a TikTok that said if you don't have enough muscle on your body, even if you're super lean, even if you're very skinny, then if you eat a lot of sugar, it will not have something in your body that can break the sugar off, so you need muscle for that. And also, like, if you fall right now and you don't have muscle, you are more likely to like break stuff. So that was for me a sign like, oh shit, I need to go to the gym or I need to work out, but I don't like going to the gym. So I was like, let me do Pilates instead. And they have a really nice studio here. And the class was really peaceful. There's only like 5 people, including the instructor. I liked it. I'm getting ready for dinner right now. I just showered and changed into my dinner outfit. Just a very simple outfit because we're gonna eat hot pot, so I don't want to get my clothes dirty. I always like to wear black when I go hot potting. I initially thought that my best friend was gonna come tomorrow, but she's actually arriving Sunday evening, which means that I have tomorrow off the whole day for myself, which means that I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna be laying on the beach the whole day. This is the outfit for tonight. My skirt from Zara that I've had for years, and this crop top from YesStyle, and I'm wearing my Crocs right now, but I'm gonna wear my black slippers from Primark. All black outfits. I still have a bit of time left, so I think I'm gonna edit a video. Cheese, cheese. Bitte, bitte. Finished dinner. Walking to the metro station to go home. What a day, what a day. Good night.
Rain 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive